I'm Jerry Luna, Heavy Equipment Operator Engineer. I'm going to show you and demonstrate the start procedures for this backhoe. Number one, make sure you have your seatbelt on. Make sure you have it on neutral. You start the engine, you listen to your motor, and you look at your gauges. Number two, make sure your front bucket goes all the way up and down, and you check it and your clamshell. Number three, you turn your chair, put your stabilizers down, and you put your bucket down to bring the machine above the ground. Number four, you unlock your controls, you unlock your boom, and you take out your boom and check boom and bucket. Bring boom and bucket back, then you lock your boom and you lock your controls. Number five, bring your stabilizers up, you turn your chair, and you bring your bucket up to 18 inches above the ground. Number six, you disengage the brake, go forward, backward, and you engage your brake once again. Number seven, you drop your bucket, you listen to your motor, you look at your gauges, and you shut down the machine. Thank you.